Hello guys, welcome to my channel YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows 11 PC. So please follow the first step with me. We need to go to search. In here we need to type sysdm.cpl and just press enter, and then in here we got this option called advanced, then go to settings, and from top to bottom you got this option says adjust for best performance. As you can see, I've already selected before, so you select this option, then you hit apply and okay in here. And the next method is go to task manager and just type in your search task manager. As you can see, once I type task, it will pop up in here, just task manager, and then just go to startup. At startup you got these applications in here. You can just leave them all disabled, or you can just enable the one that you want to be enabled. So for example, I'll show you an example. You can select on one of them in here that you don't want to be disabled and just click on enable, but most of them will be probably enabled for you, so you can disable all. If you're not using them, just right click on them and just disable like this. So this is it, and we go to the next option, which is the next method. So what you need to do is go to your this PC in here and local disk, and then go to Windows, and then look for this option, software distribution. So this is what you need to find, and then highlight all and just hit delete, and it might keep popping up like this. Don't worry, just keep continuing, so all of them will be deleted. That's it. So, and then the next method is we need to go to settings. So we type settings, we go to settings in here, and then once we are in the settings, so we go to privacy and security, and then we got general. So turn all these four off, disable all of them. So I have already done it before. And then you can go to the next option is speech, and here you can turn it off as well. Guys, I have turned all of mine off already, so you will see all offline. So the next option is location. So location, you can just turn it all off as well in here. Back into camera, and camera, if you're using a camera, you can just leave it on. You can just turn the application on the camera off one by one, and if you're not using it at all, you can just turn it completely off. And then you go back again and go to the next option, which is we don't touch microphone or voice, so we just go to notification, and then we just turn the notification off as well. And the next option will be after that account info, so we turn that off as well. Back again, and then contacts, turn it off. Calendar, turn it off if you want, or you can just leave it on and turn the application underneath off. Phone calls, turn it off. And the next option is call history, turn it off. And emails, also turn it off. Well, emails, if you have added any emails in here, so you can just leave them on. So if you're not using any emails, then you just turn it off. And we go back again, and after that we go tasks, so you can just turn the tasks off as well. And then so the next option will be messaging, turn that off as well. Then radios, turn it off, we're not using it. And we go in here just app diagnostics, so you can turn that off as well. And that's all. So what we need to do now, we need to restart the PC, and after that I hope the performance will be much better. So if you got any questions, please don't forget to ask me in the comments below. And also thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.